With 4,000 MTs per year capacity, FAED is a world reference of cast steel components up to 16 MTs. FAED Group's QuikCAST, a quick and reliable solution for foundries, is well integrated in FAED's processes. FAED had an important project to deliver, a 2MT wicket gate casting for France's hydro turbine. An initial method design was prepared based on QuikCAST simulation results. There were no major problems indicated with reference to filling and solidification defects like turbulence, mold erosion, shrinkage porosity, etc. Though there were some pointers related to very low temperature gradients coming from NIAMA criterion analysis, FAED, however, went ahead with a trial. As expected, there were no obvious filling and solidification problems, but there was a specific region which showed up hot tearing. Weld repair would solve this problem, but would also cost more during the production. There were also some indications of mold inclusions, probably coming from the sleeves, which also needed to be addressed in future. FAED engaged AYS Manufacturing, channel partners of FAED Group in Iberia. AYS carefully analyzed the evolving stresses on this existing method design using FAED Group's flagship casting simulation solution, QuikCAST.
Once a perfect match of the hot terrain was found virtually, it was decided to employ a different method to tackle these hot tears. Moreover, we adopted the new generation sleeves to tackle the problems related to inclusions.
ESI QuikCAST simulation predicted the casting quality improvement based upon these changes and was implemented successfully in production. Finally, we achieved to deliver the wicket gates without any welding repair.
This success has prompted FAED to include the stress analysis in their portfolio and to partner with AYS to exploit further advantage of stress analysis by, for example, going into predictive dimensional control analysis, at least for very strategic parts to start with.